Really seems as though every time I want to record, Milo wants to eat. Milo wants to eat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to be making... For today's video, I was thinking that we do a little bit of a crochet with me / tutorial on how I make this chunky velvet tote bag. It's already 8 o'clock at night, of course, because when do I ever feel like working? When the sun goes down. So with that being said, we're just gonna jump right in. I'm gonna do the housekeeping, so make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and also make sure you turn your notification bell on so that you can be notified every time I post. I think I've been doing a good job of remaining consistent and, you know, giving you guys a little variety of crochet videos, not just tutorials. So please turn your notification bell on and like this video, comment on this video, watch this whole video all the way to the end. That really helps this channel out. So yeah, for today's video, I keep saying that, we're going to be using Yarn Bee Chunky Knit Velvet. Now this is about $20 a skein, which is not fun. It's not fun, but if you go to Hobby Lobby on their 30% week, you can get 30% off on these. So that's what I typically like to do. You're either gonna need 2 or 3 of them. I suggest getting 3 just in case you want to make yours a little bit bigger. You're also going to need a very big hook. And the reason why this is not a like super formal tutorial, and we'll probably not have a pattern for it, etc., is because I don't know what hook size this is. This hook came from my grandmother's collection, and I really don't know what size it is. For reference, this hook is an 11.5 millimeter. So I guess this is like what, a 20-25 size hook? I really don't know. But just find you a big double snakes hook and it should work fine for this project. However, your bag size will vary depending on what hook size you use. So if you use a bigger hook, your bag is going to come out bigger. So that's why I'm saying you may need either 2 or 3 skeins. We really don't know. I'm so sorry guys, that's why this is not a formal tutorial. But regardless of the hook size, the method stays the same. So I would suggest finding you like a 20-25 size hook. It may even bigger, if you can probably find bigger, that will work too. Have any of y'all seen that hack on TikTok where you're supposed to like smack the yarn to find the center pole? I don't think that that works. I don't think that that works. So we're gonna start off by chaining. Let's chain 10. And I'm also supposed to be recording this for TikTok. Hold me accountable. Don't let me fail at recording this for TikTok. So if you see me looking to the side, it's because I'm looking at my phone recording for TikTok as well. Follow your girl over there if you want to. I'm gonna start off by making a slip knot. And then you're going to chain 10. Let's actually chain 11. So once you have your 11 chains done, in the second chain from the hook, so not this one, but this one, so not this one, but this one, you're going to place a single crochet. And then you're going to single crochet all the way across the row. I really truly do love working with this yarn because it's so incredibly soft, guys. Like, it literally feels like butter. I mean, it's a little, you know, you got to be a little strong to pull the yarn through, but It feels so soft. So once you get to the last stitch, you're going to place 2 more single crochets in that same space. After you place your 2 single crochets in that same stitch, we're going to turn our work upside down, and we're going to work in these, I know it's kind of hard to see, but like these bottom loops underneath our stitches. We're going to place our single crochets in there and then single crochet all the way across. So when you get to your last stitch, you're actually going to place 2 more single crochets in that stitch. So in the last stitch, you should have 3 single crochets. And after you do that, you're going to slip stitch into the first stitch we did in this row. After you slip stitch, you're going to chain 1, and now for the easy part. We are just going to single crochet in every stitch, just 1 single crochet in every stitch. At the end, you're going to slip stitch into the first stitch you did, chain 1, and then continue to single crochet in every single stitch. And that's pretty much it for the body of the bag. Of course, I'm going to come back and do the straps with you guys, but the bag is really just a row of single crochet, a round of single crochet, slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 1, turn your work, and then another round of single crochet. You keep doing that for your desired amount of rows. I don't know how many rows I'm gonna do. I'm assuming I'll probably do about 13 to 15 rows. I will come back and tell you guys, or I'll put it on the screen, of course, because by the time I edit it, I'll know how many rows I did. So I'll put the amount of rows I did here on the screen. And yeah, let's finish this bag. I actually made this bag already for the person that I'm making it for again. When I made the bag, I didn't take any notes at all, like a dummy. Like a dummy. I did not take any notes at all. So it's like I have to look at this picture to try and count the rows and the stitches so that I can make the bag the exact same size. And fingers crossed, we actually do that. I really need to get into the habit of recording these tutorials for TikTok. Like, that's literally how I started out making TikTok tutorials. And you know, I feel like I kind of fell off of that because I've been focusing on making patterns and YouTube. That I've been focusing on all that so much that I've kind of like neglected TikTok, to be honest with you. Okay, so once you get to the end of the row here, right here, you're going to slip stitch into that first stitch of the row, and then continue to do that for probably about 11 or 12 rows, depending on how high you want your bag to be, like how tall. I'm gonna go get these rows done in a more comfortable space, and then we'll come back and do the straps. And we're back, and it's literally midnight. Did this project take me all that time to do? No. Did I sit down and watch Hamilton? Yes. Once you have your square done and you did your last slip stitch, we're gonna start working on the strap. So now we are going to chain 35. Yes. Sorry guys, it's literally midnight and I'm so tired. But yes, now we're gonna chain 35. Once you have your chain done, you're just gonna slip stitch over on the other side, like the stitch that's equidistant from this side of the strap. Just gonna slip stitch into the next corner. You wanna make sure also that your strap is not twisted. After you slip stitch into that side, you're going to slip stitch into the stitch right next to it. Now we're going to single crochet all the way across the strap. Once you're finished with that row of single crochet, I just went ahead and slip stitched back on the other side in the stitch right next to the one where the chain was coming out of. And that's it. You just clip your yarn and you weave in that little end you have, and the bag is done. And there we have it. It's so cute. Let me step back, show you guys what it looks like. Wear it on the shoulder, wear a crossbody. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little crochet with me tutorial. Please, if you make this bag and you post pictures of it on the gram or on TikTok or wherever you post it, tag me so that I can see your creations. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or concerns or tips or tricks or anything like that. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell on. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Because it's literally 1 a.m. and I am so tired.